Hi guys, I just wanted to tell you that I have a really big addiction to stuffed animals. So because next week also next week on Monday. I only do it on Sundays and Saturdays and maybe Friday nights or maybe some other days. Yeah, we're gonna start on something to do or to talk about or like a theme. Yeah. And next week's theme is Five Nights at Freddy's, your favorite character. So we have to dress up like it. For Christmas I actually asked for clothes. And I got none. Strange, right? Like, wouldn't you expect clothes? Yeah. But it is 2016. I have a big addiction to stuffed animals. Let me show you. I have 1,000. This is my favorite one. Besides Kitty. Kitty's downstairs. Kitty, come up here. No, I can't call her. Yeah, but she's my second favorite. Her name is Panda. She's so snuggly. She's cute and cuddly. And I love SpongeBob's blanket. SpongeBob's already stole your blanket. I stole it 10 years ago. He doesn't care. 8 years ago. He doesn't care. Yeah. But yeah, I have a huge addiction to stuffed animals. Yeah. So yeah, be prepared for tomorrow and next week for I'm so excited. I forgot. Themes, yeah, for themes. Yeah. So bye. Hi guys. So if you're still here, just one question. What was my favorite stuffed animal? And what color was it? Was it a panda, a dog, or a cat? And what was its name? Kitty, Pandy, Panny, Pandy, or SpongeBob? Please comment down below what it is. I am not getting any likers or subscribers. Guys, you've got to like and subscribe. No thumbs down. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm probably the only one who's a kid that no one sees. So yeah. Am I supposed to stop the video? Where's the button? Hey Jarvis, where's